Hi, and welcome back to Trifecta Pilates. My name is Beth. In today's Pilates workout, we're going to focus on some foundational Pilates exercises and concepts to refine our Pilates practice. And we're really going to flow from one exercise to the other so we get that Pilates concept of flow in our Pilates practice. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Let's get started laying onto our backs on our mat. Bend the knees, arms by your side, allowing yourself to take some breath before we get started. I really want you to breathe deeply through all of the exercises. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Feeling the breath expand the back body as you inhale. As you exhale, the center body draws together. As you continue breathing, feel the upper arms press down into the mat. Feel the feet press firmly into the mat, knees straight up towards the ceiling here. As you continue breathing, you're going to keep your focus right up to the ceiling. And next time you exhale, pelvic curl. Curl the pelvis, the spinal column up off of your mat. Keep pressing the mat down with the upper shoulders and feet. Inhale once you're up. Exhale, moving through the spinal column, rolling right back down again. Inhale down. Repeat. So you exhale for your movement. Breathing in once you're up. Exhale, rolling back down. Seeing how supple your spine can be as we continue. Just a few more times, really ensuring you're linking the exercise to your breathing pattern. One last time. Allowing spinal column to stay down on the mat. Inhale, arms to the ceiling, interlace the fingers, hands come behind the head. Next time you exhale, curl head, chest up, upper ab curl. Inhale to lower down. Exhale, repeat, curl up to lowering down. So trick of this is trying to keep pelvis and thighs perfectly still and really use the upper abs to get the head, shoulders, and chest up off of the mat. Keep breathing. Exhale up. Inhale lower. Two more times. One last time. Shoulders and head stay down. Arms open across from the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale, take both feet up off the mat. Squeeze the legs together, preparing supine twist. Your next inhale, rotate pelvis and legs to one side. Exhale, coming right back to center. Switching sides. Inhale over. Exhale, center. Really on this exercise, focus on where you're initiating the movement from. So hopefully your answer was center body. When we take the pelvis over to one side, engaging abs and obliques to help you take the pelvis and legs over. To initiate the movement back to center, again, abs, obliques, helping to bring pelvis and legs back center. One last time. Staying center, grab behind the thighs. Roll yourself up, extend the legs, sitting nice and tall. Reach arms forward, inhale. Exhale, bend the spine, spine stretch. Inhale, press down, roll right back up, lift and lengthen, repeat. Exhale, bend the spine. Inhale, press down, lift and lengthen. Think every time you come back up, you are getting taller, more elongated in your waistline, in the spinal column. 2 more times. And 1 last time. Arms open, legs closed. Squeeze and engage the legs together. Rotate one side. Rotate, rotate, center. Breathing in and out. Just like the last twist that we did, supine twist, seated twist, initiating from the center. Squeeze and narrow the legs together. One more time each side. Stay center, reach the arms forward, exhale, roll yourself all the way down to the floor. Arms come by the side of your body, push the arms down. Bend one knee into your chest, reach leg up to the ceiling, flex that foot, leg circle, breathing in and out. Keep the pelvis completely still. Inhale to exhale. Another circle here, and reversing your direction, breathing in to out. One last time. Bend the knee into the chest, reach the leg long. Squeeze the legs together, switch sides. Bend opposite leg in, extend. Flex the foot, leg circle across, forward. Linking the movement still to your breath. It's a theme of the class. Pause, leg up, reverse it, inhale to exhale. Two more times. Very nice. Bend the knee and extend the leg. Reach one arm back behind you. Roll onto your side, preparing side leg lift. Squeeze the legs together, legs slightly in front of your body. Top arm reaches to the ceiling, strong with the arm. Lift the top leg up, lower down. Top thigh up and down. Breathing out and in. Want the pelvis, this area right here, to stay incredibly still. No movement in the pelvis. Really isolate the movement to the leg. For 3 and 2. Last one. Bend the knee, take the foot in front if you can. If not, foot goes behind you. Press your full foot down, knee opens away from the shoulder. Flex bottom foot. Exhale, lift to lower. Inner thigh, leg lift and lower. Breathing out and in. Engaging inner thigh will help with a lot of exercises in Pilates. 2 more times, 2 and 1. Let both legs be long. Roll onto your second side on the mat. Legs still slightly in front of you. Reach long with the bottom arm, up with the top arm if you can. Top leg up and down. Breathing out and in. Still breathing deeply here. Pelvis staying very still. Two more times. Bend the top foot, top leg. Foot goes in front or behind, full foot down, knee opens, flex bottom foot, leg up and down. Bottom leg's going to stay so straight as you continue breathing out to in. Just two more times. Very nice. Both legs straight. Roll onto your stomach on the mat. Squeeze and narrow the legs together. Reach your arms behind you, palms facing towards the thighs. Reach arms up. Inhale, spine extension. Exhale, lower down. Tops of the feet stay down. Inhale. Exhale. Trying to get the upper, middle back to work more than lower back. Two more times. One last time. Very nice. Stay down. Come up onto your forearms. Push the forearms down. Hug the belly against the spine, the abs against the spine. Lift the legs up. Single leg kick. Kick, kick, extend. Switching sides. Continuing to breathe. Can your kicks be stronger? Your abs are stronger than to catch that kick. One more time each side. Lowering yourself down. Take the hands underneath the shoulders. Press your knees down. Inhale. Exhale, push up. Tuck your toes. Coming standing. Forward fold. Make sure the feet are right in line with the hips. Drop your head down. Your next exhale, rolling the spine up. Standing, roll up. Whenever you're standing, inhale. Ground down evenly with both feet. Exhale, rolling head, neck, upper, middle spine. Lastly, lower spine, pelvis spills forward. Taking a breath once you're in your forward fold. Exhale, rolling up. Sequential roll up, pressing evenly through both feet. One last time. Rolling down. All the way into that forward fold. Rolling up, very last time. Stay centered between both feet. Allow the eyes to close. Feel the strength of the legs. You're centered still between both feet. Trace the spinal column with your mind's eye. Crown of the head ascending to the ceiling. Shoulders slide down the back. And can you feel more comfortable standing evenly between both legs with your ideal posture for today? Let's end how we got started. Inhaling through the nose as deeply as you can into the back body. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling as deeply as you can through the back body. Remember, the exhale can engage your center body, the core, so you feel more well supported standing. One last deep breath here. Exhale, softly open your eyes, welcoming the day once again. And I hope that this routine, although it was pretty brief, pretty fundamental, really helped you connect to some Pilates exercises and concepts that will serve you not only on the mat, but off the mat. And above all, keep breathing deeply throughout the day whenever you can think about it. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.